Welcome back. This is A1 Complete Beginner course, and in this lesson you're going to learn about the French accents. So as you can see, there are 5 kinds of accents in French. The first one is called l'accent aigu. The second, l'accent grave. Third, l'accent circonflexe. Fourth, l'accent cédille, la cédille. L'accent tréma, le tréma. L'accent aigu is pronounced as A in angel. So only the letter E takes this accent. So an example would be le café, the cafe or the coffee. If you notice it, LE is pronounced as le because there's no accent on top of E. Some people pronounce it as le. It's wrong. So it has to be le. L'accent grave. So this is pronounced as as in fair. So E and A and U will take this accent. Example, la mère, the mother, la, which means there. L'accent circonflexe. So this pretty much sounds like A as an angel. So we have accents to differentiate between the words. That's one of the reasons. Now A and E, I and O and U, these letters would take this accent circonflexe. Example, la tête, the head, l'hôtel, the hotel. La cédille or l'accent cédille. So this gives the S sound. So only the letter C would take this accent. Example, le français, the French, as in the language. The last accent is l'accent tréma, le tréma, which is the tréma. So the pronunciation of this would be, it would just separate the vowel. So E and I and U will take this accent. So here's an example, le Noël. O is a vowel and E is a vowel. You're basically separating the vowels better as you're pronouncing it. Noël, le Noël, the Christmas. Naive, this is an English word as well. Naive. So that's all about the accents. I hope you have learned something. Try to pronounce properly when you see an accent. It will change the pronunciation sometimes. Sometimes it just doesn't. But learn every word along with the accents. See you in module 2.